It is 4 a.m. and we are about off to start heading out to go to the train station so we may head up to Mombasa. Yeah, we're about to head out to the train station, which is in Nairobi, then head out to Mombasa on a train. So see you guys later. This is my vlog. Alright vlog, so we made it to the train station and we're waiting on the rest of our group. But we're rolling. You guys can barely see us, but we out here deep. Alright, we made it through security and we're going. The rest of our crew has joined us.
Isn't that just adorable?
And the rest. Got my cousin Seaball. Yes. Got Cindy. Hey Michael, say hi to my vlog.
Hi. Hi.
Squad's here. Full squad. Squad. Do you know this is going on my channel?
Ooh, I did not know. Okay. Well,
Say
can
hi
she
to
please
my
sit here?
vlog.
I did. I have a
Hi to my vlog.
Then you have to put one card down, and then once we're all ready to reveal, throw the big card.
Alright vlog, so we've been on this train for about 3 hours. We're like in an area where there's so many animals, so we might see some. So I'll try and find some for you guys so I can show you. Yeah. That wrist.
He sure is looking at us.
We finally made it to Mombasa. Ah, the train is approaching. We're here. Yes.
Do you hear the big flies call us walks?
How are you feeling, Auntie Margaret?
Oh, I'm feeling so good. I've been visiting Mombasa for the first time.
Me too, really?
And I'm so excited to be here.
I'm so tired. Look at me carrying my bags and all the luggage. In Mombasa!
I wish I could show you guys like the heat, but it feels so good. We made it to our van. How you feeling, Bugali? How you feeling?
Hot.
Father and son.
2014 and 2014.
Yeah.
Okay.
We made it! We gotta get our luggage from on top of the whole car. I knew you were gonna come over just to do this.
Yep. East Coast. East Coast. How we do it. Oh yeah.
I'm so quiet, so serene.
Later that same evening.
We're going on a walk around Mombasa. This is our apartments right there. Oh, it's not really readable.
Surprised you didn't.
Readable. Hey, look at the pool area. underneath a cave and there's a waterfall right there. Like this gets. I know. How you guys feeling? Like, whoa.
How we make it rain.
Vlog, so we stopped to get something to drink. Alright vlog, we're back from the walk and we're just chilling in our room with Erwin. Today has been a long day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning.
Gross.
The next morning.
Morning vlog, it is currently 8 a.m. and we are up.
Show my pants.
Oh,
Swimming pants.
look at
swim
his
trunks.
new swim trunks.
Yeah, they're cool.
Some of us are down at the swimming pool, but we're gonna head out. But guys, I just want to show you guys, look at the ocean. Look at that. That's like real ocean. It's the Indian Ocean, by the way. But this is awesome. Ready for the swimming pool. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Off. Guys, say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. We're off to Fort Jesus.
And the arms, the hands. Good, good.
This is nice. Alright vlog, so we're about to leave Fort Jesus and it's been very fun here. I learned so much about Swahili and Kenya and like the whole Portuguese and Arab tribes. I know, it feels so good to do this, but we're leaving, so
Later that same evening.
so we're about to do our avocado mask.
Hi.
We have it right here.
Look at these girls. Oh my goodness. And they're not looking like little.
On. Join the crowd. It's great.
I think you're the most beautiful one.
Yeah, right?
The next day.
Vlog, so we stopped on our way to Malindi and now we're at a park, museum, something. But we're in front of all of these monkeys and it's so cool. I don't know if you guys can see. Look at that. Look at that. This one. They're kind of camera shy.
For example. Echo, inaenda kina nani? Kwa kina mama. Echo. By hapo kuna reception kwa
You and Dad should cheers.
Enjoy magic sukari hiyo.
Another one.
Badi hunipendi mimi, badi wampenda huyu na huyu wanakupenda. Na 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 na. Badi wewe humpendi mrembo na mrembo mshike mkono ucheze naye. Oh na 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 nie.
There's a big one.
The next day,
Morning vlog, and this morning I did the avocado mask that we had left over, and my cousin Tony also did it.
Yeah.
Siebel also did it, but she wiped off half of it. And now we're about to head down.
a few moments later.
All right, vlog, so we came here to Holler Park. Look at him. He's so cute. Look, there's another one. They're like...
These things haven't evolved in like 2,000 years. They're the perfect
Then how you
It's really hot.
Yep, everyone say hi to my vlog.
Hey vlog. Hey my vlog.
Hello, hi my vlog. Hi vlog, how you doing?
Yes. Yeah, baby.
Vlog, that's the end of it for Hollow Park, so be smooth, be smooth, be smooth.
Be smooth.
Later that same evening.
Alright, vlog, so we're leaving the beach, going back. Squad! Oh, snap.
Come on, get you. You want to hear a really good airplane joke?
Yeah.
Nah, I just fly over your head. Ooh, great! That was great!
girl who fell in the sand pit?
Tell us, who is she? Who is
Sandra!
Oh! Alright, vlog, so we stopped at a pizzeria on our way back to our houses, and now we're just chilling.
The next morning.
Alright vlog, so today is our last day here in Mombasa and I'm so sad because then we're gonna go back to colder weather. But this is how we're spending our last day.
We're out here. Stay cool. Smooth. Be smooth.
I'm with my cousin Bugali and my cousin Tony. How'd you guys feel about this whole trip?
It's been a good trip. It's been amazing. Loved everything.
Hey, the trip is so good. I don't have any other words to say. Yeah.
Alright. Alright vlog, so it's our last day and I gotta say bye to my girls. They be throwing it down in the kitchen and yes, but we're leaving, so bye guys. So we're gonna be there in about 3 hours, but 2 hours. Hey. All right, vlog. So we made it to Nairobi and we're back, and he wants to be in the vlog so bad.